Welcome to our tutorial on the payroll management system with ConfluxHR, your all-in HR partner. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential features and functionalities to help you manage payroll efficiently and accurately. Let's start by logging into the HRMS. Simply put in your registered email ID and the password and click the login button. You will be taken to the dashboard wherein you can see all the details. On the left hand side panel, there will be options for admin, a dashboard, employee tab, attendance, leave, payroll, company profile, settings and meal ledgers. It is important to note that to run the payroll every month, there are fewer information which need to be up to date for that particular month. In case there has been an addition in the employee count, add in the details of the employee, and save. The next step is to finalize the attendance. This data is automatically fetched once your employees mark their attendance on a daily basis. This is the current month. You can download this report by clicking on the download button. Next step is to finalize the attendance. Click on the Final Attendance tab on the left hand side panel of the dashboard. Here you have the option of choosing the financial year as per your requirement. Click on the Generate Final Attendance tab on the right hand side. The report is generated for the month that I chose. If I want to see the details, click on this 3 dots and view the details here. Once your data for attendance is generated, check in the leave applications. You can download the report by clicking on the download button here. To run the payroll, click on the Payroll tab on the left hand side of the panel. The account info summary needs to be updated once in the very beginning. For each and every employee of your company. The salary structure also needs to be updated once as per your organization policy. You can also see the data for an individual employee. If you want to edit the salary structure, you can simply click on the edit button and edit it. If you want to upload bulk salary structure, simply click on this button and import the CSV file from here. In case an employee has taken a salary advance, the data will be displayed here. In case you want to view the details, click on these buttons. The reimbursement data is reflected under this tab. Also the addition pay or deduction for a particular month. Once everything is in order, we need to run the payroll by clicking on the Run Payroll button. The finalized payroll will give you the particular payroll of that month. You can see in the details in the Pay Register tab. For details, click on this button. Your payroll is generated. If you want to show the payslip to employee, we can simply mark this tab. A report can be generated by clicking on the download button. This is all for payroll management.